Rutland, widely known for hearth safety and maintenance, has a wide variety of products for inside and outside the home. Our firebox bricks can be used to build the oven floor of a pizza oven. Rutland firebox bricks retain and radiate heat into the cooking area. Two styles are available. Temperature ratings up to 2000 or 2700 degrees Fahrenheit with no loss of integrity. Our Dry Mix 211 refractory mortar is the perfect solution to last the lifetime of your pizza oven. It's formulated not to expand and contract during heating and cooling to prevent damage to the oven. The same Rutland firebox bricks and Dry Mix 211 can be used in your outdoor fire pit to line the interior and floor. Dry Mix 211 is one of few high-temp mortars that can be exposed to the elements, making it uniquely suited for outdoor use. Rutland Safe-Light Fire Starter Squares are the perfect solution to start your fire. They will even light when wet and burn up to 10 minutes. Keep your home safe inside and out with Rutland.